GK classes, and today in this session we will be learning chapter 10, famous places. So the first one is Lord Buddha first preached here, and it is Sarnath. Now as you can see here, it is a Buddhist pilgrim spot located near Varanasi. The city is famous for being the first place where Lord Buddha preached for the first time. Then you have the place where the sacred relics of Lord Buddha were buried, and that's Sanchi Stupa. The great stupa of Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh, this is in Madhya Pradesh, stands in its total grandeur, providing a place where Lord Buddha's ashes lies. So this is the place where Lord Buddha's ashes lies. Now next is world famous police center in London, that's Scotland Yard, and it's a very famous police organization, and it is in London. Now next is university founded by Tagore, that is Vishwa Bharati. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, who has written a national anthem Jana Gana Mana. It is a central research university of national importance located in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal. It was founded by Tagore, who called it Vishwa Bharati, and it actually means communion of the world with India. Next is the inner shrine of the mosque at Makkah, that is Kaaba. You know, Muslims, the place where they worship their God, that we call it as mosque. So the inner shrine of the mosque at Makkah is Kaaba. As you can see this, it looks like a cube. So the Kaaba is a shrine in the inner courtyard, the mosque of Makkah, which is in Saudi Arabia. The word Kaaba means cube in Arabic. It is the most sacred site of Islam. Now next is the big temple in South India built by Raja Chola, that is Brihadishwar Temple, Tanjore. And it's a very beautiful temple and very well carved. Rashtrapati Bhavan, you know who is the president, the current president of our country? It's Ramnath Kovind. So the Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the presidential palace where our president is residing, that who is that person? Yes, Ramnath Kovind. Originally it is Viceroy's house, and later Government House is the official residence of the President of India, and our President of our country is Ramnath Kovind. Now this particular building is a major financial center in the USA, United States of America, and we call it as Wall Street. Next is Vishwanath Temple. As you can see the picture, it is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This you will find in Banaras, which is in Varanasi. Vishwanath Temple is one of the most famous temple in Varanasi, also known as the Golden Temple dedicated to the Lord Shiva. 10th one, yes, you all recognize this monument. It's Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. And we Indians are very proud of this monument because it is in one of the 7 wonders of this world. So the famous mausoleum, you know what is a mausoleum? Mausoleum means it's a monument in which there is a tomb. Tomb plus monument, we call it as mausoleum. And this famous mausoleum is of Mumtaz, the queen of the Emperor Shah Jahan, and it is situated in Agra. We call it Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is India's most famous monument and a sublime shrine to eternal love. Next is the residence of the Pope in Rome, and that residence place is Vatican, that Vatican city. And who is Pope? The head of the Catholic Church residence is located in Vatican City, and the president Pope, the present Pope is Pope Francis. It is also known as the Papal Palace, the Palace of the Vatican, and the Vatican Palace. Okay, the same name, they are saying it differently. Next is the famous rock cut caves near Aurangabad, that is Ellora Caves. Next is Meenakshi Sundareshwar Temple, it is in Madurai, again very good stone carving. 14th is a famous seat of learning during the Gupta period, that is Huan Sang studied there, that is Nalanda. We also have now Nalanda University. So this is how your page looks like. So it's a match the following. So you have to write the correct answer to column A to column B. So the Lord Buddha first preached here, it is Sarnath. 4. The place where the sacred relics of Lord Buddha were buried, it is 6. Sanchi Stupa. World famous police center in London, it is 8. Scotland Yard. University founded by Tagore, it is 2. Vishwabharati. The inner shrine of the mosque at Mecca, it is 11th. Kaaba. The big temple in South India built by Raja Chola, that is the first one. Here you can find that. Brideshwar Temple, Tanjore. Then 7th one, official residence of the President of India, that's the 13th one, Rashtrapati Bhavan. A major financial center in the USA, it's 9. Wall Street. Vishwanath Temple dedicated to Shiva, it is 12. Banaras, the famous mausoleum of Mumtaz, the Queen of Shah Jahan at Agra, it is 3. Taj Mahal. The residence of the Pope in Rome, it is 14, that is Vatican. Famous rock cut caves near Aurangabad, it's 5. Ellora. Meenakshi Sundareshwar Temple, that is 7. Madurai. A famous seat of learning during the Gupta period, Huan Sang studied there, that is 10. Nalanda. So, homework for today's session is you will be completing page number 14 in your textbook. Thank you and take care. Bye.